Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to do a fresh start in YNAB application. To do a fresh start in YNAB, first of all, you'll need to access your YNAB platform. Launch open a web browser and access your YNAB website, or also open up your YNAB application from your app drawer and sign into your account. From the main home page, go ahead and access your budget. If you have multiple budgets accounts, make sure to open up your desired budget account, and then once you've switched between your account, from the main home page, tap on the three dots at the top left hand corner. Now click on the settings and privacy options in the pop-up. Under your budget, at the top, you will be able to see an option that says make a fresh start. Tap on it and then click on Make a Fresh Start on the next page to confirm. Once you do that, a new budget will be created with the same account name, scheduled transactions, goals, notes, payees, and budget categories from your original budget. All the transaction history and category account balances will be cleared, and your original budget is archived and it remains accessible through the budget picker, allowing you to refer back to past data if needed. So that is how you will be able to do a fresh start in YNAB. If you found the tutorial to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.